Welcome back to the Hong Kong Guide channel. Today, we're going to unveil the mysteries of Temple Street, one of the main cultural hotspots in our beautiful city. It's no surprise that Temple Street is popular among locals and tourists. Who doesn't like eating authentic local food and shopping for affordable goods? The area also always has great atmosphere, vibrant and full of people. There are even lots of famous Dai Pai Dongs on Temple Street, where you can eat some iconic food with great wok hei. I recommend ordering stir-fried seafood and clay pot rice. Dining at a Dai Pai Dong should definitely be on your itinerary if you plan to visit Hong Kong. They're very reputable restaurants. Tourists and locals also enjoy taking a leisurely stroll through the night market. The stalls here sell a wide variety of items, including t-shirts, pants, accessories, electronics, and antiques. Sometimes, if you're lucky, you can even bargain with a shop owner for a lower price. Tempting, isn't it? You might get hungry after walking around, but don't worry. Even if it is already past midnight, many of the street food stalls on Temple Street are open until the wee hours. This is Hong Kong, after all. It's a city that hardly ever sleeps. See you next time on another episode of Hong Kong Guide.